East and the West, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much trees, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take.
Alright, so this is from Vietnamese. Here we have the Sicilian rice balls.
I see.
Hi, I'm Mai, and today I'm only going to be eating Italian food for 24 hours. Behind me is the Feast of San Gennaro. It happens every single year in Little Italy in New York City. And basically it's just miles of Italian food in street food form. Everything's basically cash only and it's super quick. The streets are packed at night and I think this lasts like 10 days. So today I'm going to take you around there. I guess it's just going to be a street crawl, but I'll take you around. Hi, just a table for one, please. All right, I'm sitting down at the cafe now. I think I'm gonna get a cappuccino and maybe some biscuits. Hi.
How are you? You good?
I'm good. How are you?
Whenever you're ready, okay?
Do you guys have croissants here by chance?
Yes.
Okay.
We do in the morning, then.
Okay, thank you. Hopefully they have one because I want a croissant. I'm really excited for today because you guys don't know, I love Italy. You guys probably don't know that because I'm never like, oh my god, like I love Italy, but I love Italy. You guys have one? Okay, could I do croissant and then also just a cappuccino?
Yes.
I think I've been to Italy about 3 times now. I've been to Capri, Sorrento, and also don't kill me if I'm butchering these names. I'm not very cultured, okay? I mean, I'd like to think that I am, but clearly not. I've been to Capri, Sorrento, Rome, Pompeii, Naples, and I think like a couple other small places, but I just forgot. I haven't been back in like 2 years, but next year you guys are gonna see me travel a lot, so let me know where in Europe or Italy I should go to because I definitely want to go back more. This is my view, by the way. My camera is sat right here, and this is the view. Thank you so much. There's so many people walking by me right now. It's actually hilarious. We're gonna play some Italian restaurant music. Really like get into the vibes. Now that I have my AirPod Max is on and the noise cancellation is on so that I don't hear that anyone else is around me so I feel like I'm alone. Hi, welcome. Ooh, I'm so excited. I came here before once and the coffee was delicious. So I'm excited to try again. I haven't had a cappuccino here, but Google said this is what Italian is. Cheers. It's good. That was delicious. It just tastes like coffee. We have a croissant. Definitely not dry, but it's not like moist. I'd rate it like a 7.5 out of 10. There's not like a lot of buttery flavor to it, but like it's just like a croissant, you know? The coffee here, so good. That was so embarrassing, but you know what? If in my head I don't think it's embarrassing and I act like they're not there, then it's not embarrassing. All the people that are like random on the streets that like scream at you or like just like do crazy shit, like yeah, you think that they're crazy, right? And you laugh, but then you like forget about it after like 30 seconds after you walk, right? So that's like my mentality right now, but who knows? Because people are dead ass staring. Literally my beard right now, I swear I'm digging through my pants. Okay, a couple hours has passed since I've had that croissant, so it's definitely a lot later in the day now, and it's so much busier. It's not even like late right now, and it's already getting super busy. Alright, so I think we're just gonna try a couple of little different things right now. Okay, thank you. That was crazy. There's actually so many things here that I've never tried before. Obviously, I've had like the typical pizza, pasta, but I'm not that well cultured in Italian food, so I'm excited to try some things today like sausage and peppers, rice balls, all that stuff, because I've never had it before. Alright, so this is from Lucy Sausage. When I came here the other day, I didn't even get to eat here because the lines were so long. Like out of all the stands, Lucy's definitely had the most people. So I'm excited to try this. Cheers. Overall, I rate it like a 9.5 out of 10 because the thing is like it's not like crazy flavorful or anything, but like the simple flavor is so good. I felt awkward vlogging, so we moved to a different location, but I didn't know what to expect. I mean, it's literally just a sausage and some peppers, so like I don't know what I was expecting, but it is so good. Oh my god, I see corn. I love corn on the cob. I know it's not Italian, but I want corn. Alright, currently I have you rested on a USPS postal service thing, but I just want to take another bite. This is so good, yet so simple, and that's very hard to perfect. And the bread, like the bread is just so good. Why am I so geeked over some sausage and peppers? I love sausage. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy. Everyone here at this place is so sweet, but yes, I'm back again for another coffee because I'm not trying to have a boring ass video. But this time I got a cafe latte because I think that this is personally better than the cappuccino, but both are good. I don't think that I need another coffee because after eating that sausage and peppers, I got my personality back, but low-key I needed to use the bathroom to make sure that I wasn't bleeding through my pants. So, cheers. This is jumping. Ew, not sure if you guys catching me smiling from texting a boy. I'm gonna turn this off. That has got a snake wrapped around his neck. Can I just, what's the best one y'all got? Alright, I'll get that then. Why did this boy just randomly text me, hey, I know I've been beating around the bush, but I really like you? What the f? Boy, we literally haven't talked in over a month. What's wrong with you? Oh my god, all the hot cops are staring. You think they want me? Just kidding. Alright, here we have the Sicilian rice balls. I don't know what this is made up of. I probably should have like asked them or searched it up. I wasn't expecting it to have like meat and peas in it. I don't know why. I thought it would maybe like filled with cheese or something. To be honest, it kind of just tastes like tomato sauce with like, I don't know, rice. I would rate this a 7 out of 10. It's good though. I don't want to say anything bad because the people were so freaking sweet, but that's just my opinion.
A few moments later.
Bright city lights flashing like a drum unknown. I don't know, Troye Sivan. Did y'all have a Troye Sivan phase? I was obsessed with Troye Sivan when he was a YouTuber. Anyways, I'm here with Amelia now. It's a little bit later. Hey! She's from Copenhagen, by the way. But time to have a little bit more Italian food. I'm thinking maybe like a little bit of pizza or something. Yeah, I went on there and it was 15 bucks. By the way, I paid 15 bucks for the fucking intro, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up if you think the $15 were worth it, and still give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you think it was a scam. Hi, I just met Lucille at Little Italy with Ashley. Are y'all having a good night? Yeah. I hope you have a good rest of your day. You as well. Yeah, thank you so much. Hi. Can I just get a margarita pizza, please? Yeah. Why are the workers here so hot? People that were working at that pizza place were so hot. I looked up and I was like, the guy with glasses is cute. Then I looked over and I was like, wait, that guy's cute. And then I looked over again and I was like, wait, that guy's cute. And I was like, what the f is in their DNA? Like, damn, that sperm be strong as f. Here we have a plastic out the oven, fresh margarita pizza. Cheers! Cheers! Pretty good. The base is a little bit mushy, I would say. Maybe a little bit more crisp would be nice, but the tomato flavor is good. I would rate this a 7.8. It's good. It's good. Oh, why do we look so sick? Alright, time is currently 12:45 and we're having the last Italian meal of the day, which is gonna be some lasagna and gelato. We found a place that's open literally for 15 more minutes. This lighting is so good. Why do I feel like I'm in a film? We got some hazelnut gelato. Cheers. Cheers. I would rate this a...
Okay, I have a number in my head as well. Should we say at the same time? 3, 2, 1,
6. For me, I think 5 is like, 6 is like, oh, it's like just like food. 7 is just like, oh, it's average. I think it's just like food.
Now we're waiting for our...
We just got lasagna. Lasagna is like my favorite. It's bubbling. It's giving a volcano. It's 12:52. They close at 1 a.m. We literally walked in 15 minutes before. We're terrible people, but I had to get this last shot for y'all because like I feel like this video needed a little extra. But for that reason, they get a big tip, a big gold tip. This is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys actually have to come here. Like, this lasagna is fire. Why is this the best I've ever ate?
Dude, it's so good.
We literally went out to this nice... Sorry, I'm gonna lie to you guys. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be truthful and honest with you guys. We went to this nice sushi place with these guys on a double date.
We did not eat jack shit. Which is actually true, so we technically didn't. Wait, whoa.
I've been truthful in this video. I didn't eat any of the sushi. This is the best thing I've had today. Delicioso is the best way I could describe it. Alright, well that's it for today's video. If you guys want me to make more videos of trying a certain type of food, going to a certain place, anything, let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to do that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because you know what? I know that you watching this video right now, 50% of you aren't even subscribed. Isn't that so crazy? How do I know this? Because I can stalk you. Anyways, see you in the next video, Mondays and Fridays, 6 p.m. EST.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test, got a lot on.